Welcome again my YouTube channel. How are you my dear subscribers and viewers? I hope you're all well and fine and doing best condition of health. Today my video topic about short haircut, short bob pixie haircut. All the hairstyles are very pretty and beautiful, most attractive, gorgeous new haircuts. Short haircut have become the increasingly and popular in recent years, and it's easy to see why. Not only are they low maintenance and easy to style, but they can also be incredibly versatile and chic. From pixie cut to bob haircut and from undercut to asymmetrical styles, there is a short haircut to suit every face shape, hair type, and personal style. One of the biggest benefits of the short hair is its ability to frame the face and the accentuate one's feature. A well-cut short hairstyles can draw attention to the eyes, cheekbones, and lips, creating a string and polished look. If you enjoy my content, please love and subscribe my YouTube channel for the latest update on haircuts, fashion, and trend. I am committed to bringing you the best and most informative content. Today my video topic short hair styles can be styled in a variety of the ways, from sleek and smooth to textured and PC, making it easy to switch up your look to suit your mood or occasion. Whether you are looking for a bold, eggy style or more classic, elegant look, a short haircut can be the great way to update your image and to feel the confident and beautiful. With the right cut and styling, short hair can be a game changer for anyone looking to refresh their look and try someone new. My styles are also very pretty, and I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please like, share, and comment my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates. My all efforts for you guys. I want your support. Plus, with the right product and styling tools, short hair can be the incredibly easy to manage and maintain, making it a great option for busy people on the go. Overall, short haircut are the great way to express yourself, boost your confidence, and enjoy a fresh new look that all over you on. When it comes to haircut, there are several tips to keep in mind to ensure you get a style that suit your face shape, hair type, and personal style. For instance, if you have a round shape, look for haircuts that create angles and sharp lines, such as a pixie cut or a bob with a shorter back and long front. If you have a curly hair, consider a cut that enhances your natural texture, such as layered cut or a saggy bob. Please guys support me and guide me and tell us in a comment box for new types of videos. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. I want your support. See you soon into the next video for more types of hairstyles and more types of haircut. If you like it, then press the bell icon. See you soon into the next video. Welcome again my YouTube channel. How are you my dear subscribers and viewers? I hope you're all well and fine and doing best condition of health. Today my video topic about short haircut, short bob pixie haircut. All the hairstyles are very pretty and beautiful, most attractive, gorgeous new haircuts. Short haircut have become the increasingly